Welcome back. Well, viewers, comedian Pranit More landed himself in soup yet again after a Gurugram man's controversial remarks about spending 370 rupees on a plate of biryani sparked widespread outrage. There is another audience interaction from the stand-up comics event that has come under scrutiny. Now, this time, these comments were made by a woman doctor about comparing the private parts of male cadavers that have triggered a fresh backlash online. And during this interaction at More's show, she spoke about anatomy-related experiences and claimed that she and her colleagues would compare the sizes of these private parts. This comment was made during a conversation with Pranit More as he asked if the doctors stay serious or crack jokes while doing autopsy on a corpse. Now, this clip has gone viral with many users criticizing the woman over her insensitive comments and disrespect towards body donors. Several medical students and professionals have also reacted quite strongly. One user, in fact, went on to say that a medical student mocking this is one of the worst things that can be done. Following the backlash, the woman has now issued an apology and has said that she would not make such comments ever again.
Hello everyone. मेरा जो 3 महीने पहले मैंने शो किया था उसका एक पार्ट ऑफ द क्लिप वायरल हो रहा है अभी, जिसमें मैंने एक चीज़ बोली थी एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम हियर एंड से दैट आई एम वेरी सॉरी दैट थिंग हैपेंड एंड I said the very wrong thing. I'm so sorry about that. मैंने ऐसे कभी intentionally नहीं सोचा था कि मैं वो चीज़ बोलूँगी. It's very bad to see whatever narrative has been said. And बस मुझे इतना बोलना था कि शुरुआत में मैंने ये 2 बार बोली थी चीज़ कि I respect that, like हम उनका बहुत respect करते हैं.
My colleague Rucha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Rucha, take us through the entire controversy, because this very show has been in the news for all the wrong reasons because of a comment that was made by a male member of the audience. And now it is another comment that is drawing storm online.
Well, that is right. This is not the first time Pranit More has been at the center of any controversy. His previous shows have also been on similar line. But now the kind of comments that are coming from his crowd, or where he basically questions the audience and tries to get joke out of it, where clearly he has failed to do so, because the kind of comments that the audience was also making, it may be about the 370 rupees biryani getting laid, or a doctor, a medical student making a comment on the joke about private parts of a dead body. It is a serious issue, and the criticism against Pranit More is increasing, because he, as a stand-up comedian, did not stop the people from commenting these things, and he even uploaded them to gain views online, and that is why he is also being criticized now. Both the people, Sejal Pawar, who made a comment on the dead body's private parts, and Himanshu Jangra, who made the biryani comment, both have apologized. But this does not change anything. The apology does not take out the kind of thinking or the misogynist comments that they have made, and this cannot be normalized, is what the social media users are also claiming.
Yes, there is a lot of outrage over these comments. Many saying that this is a disrespect to the entire profession itself. Rucha, stay with us. As the outrage mounted, many social media users also, in fact, began questioning whether Pawar would face the same consequences as Himanshu. And remember, viewers, just days ago, the 23-year-old man from Gurugram was also fired from his job after he made a highly misogynistic comment during the show by the comedian Pranit More. Now, he had claimed that he spent 370 rupees on a plate of biryani for a woman on a date, and when the woman later expressed her wish to leave, he appeared displeased and suggested that he was entitled to get something in return for the money that he had spent.